Hi, and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while. Sorry, I got a little caught up with life and things like that. But for this video, I'm really excited. We're going to be making a gift for someone, and we're going to be engraving onto a genuine leather strap for a watch, an Apple Watch. So I'm going to be using the Cricut Maker, and I got this off of Amazon. So let's get started, and I'll see you guys at the end. All right, the first thing I'm going to be doing is measuring the widest area that I can do. I'll be engraving a circular design onto my watch band. So looking here, it looks like it's just inside of 3/4 of an inch. The sizing that when I measured the watch was 3/4 of an inch. So here I'm going to put 0.7. I don't really want 0.75 because, just in case. So 0.7 will be what I want. I'm going to change my operation to engrave. And if you don't see engrave pop up, just make sure that you've got maker selected there in that corner. Okay. And that's all the prep work I have to do. So let's go to make it. And here it is. I'm going to hang the watch off the bottom. So basically, just going to line it up here. I'm going to zoom in. And I'm looking at the blue outline. Okay, so that's where we're going to go. No need to mirror or do anything weird. All right, so you'll want to use a strong grip purple mat. And so I put my design right about here. And I'm just going to make sure that my blank is completely centered right where I want it before I push down. And I'm going to take some masking tape and just tape it down for good measure. So I'm going to tape the top part. And I'm going to tape the bottom part. The next thing you want to do is slightly dampen the leather before you engrave it. So I'm going to take a little bit of water and just tap it on there. Let's get it a little bit wet. And what that does is it softens the fibers for engraving. You're going to want to change your tip to the engraving tip. And the next thing you want to do is move all of these rollers to the right side. All the way over. Okay? And then we're ready to go. All right, so browse all materials. And I'm going to be browsing for genuine leather, which is right here. Done. I pulled it out of the machine, and now we're going to pull it off of the mat. And you want to make sure, of course, that you cover your mat right away as soon as you're done. But I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. So this was on a brand new band, and I did try and make a mistake on an older band. And this was the one where I did not move the star rollers out of the way. So you can see how that makes a big deal. It got caught, the rollers got caught on this part of the band. So you want to, of course, again, make sure that you've moved those over all the way. The other thing was this band was well used, and you can kind of see it has like a little bit of wrinkle in it if I bend it this way. And the looseness of the leather caught a little bit more on the engraving tool. And there was a little slight rip in the leather up in here somewhere. On the newer leather, I mean, it does, obviously you're ripping at the leather, so it's going to rip it, but it's not nearly as like defaced as the other one was. So there it is. And that's it. So this was pretty easy to do. And I like how it's quite understated. I hope that this gives you kind of a cool idea to make somebody a gift for Christmas time or whatever you want. Just make them a present. Uh, it's kind of cool. I did read up a little bit on debossing versus engraving on leather, and debossing does not provide as sharp or as noticeable depressions in the leather as engraving would. So I would recommend to engrave over deboss. If you have that debossing tool, you can try it for yourself if you really want to. But engraving leather is possible. Thanks again, you guys, for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for subscribing. Please like this video if it gave you some cool ideas, and I'll see you guys next time.